I always wanted to be a doctor, and I have been unbelievably lucky to have these experiences working in Greece and working in the islands, working in the central Mediterranean, and now working here in northern Iraq. So it's around 8 o'clock in the morning now, and we're all gathering together in the buses to head off to Rachaidh. It's around 90 minutes drive, and doing that twice a day is pretty exhausting as well. On the way to work, it can be quite a tense experience. You passing through many security checkpoints and roadblocks, and you never go to the side of the road because of the risk of explosive devices. For many of the people here, there's often a kind of a constant or chronic fear that a lot of them have, and anxiety definitely brings some pretty embedded mental health problems in a lot of the population. We can see at the window that a lot of buildings are completely vacant or still destroyed from the conflict. The problem with that is that we still have people coming into that department as a result of collapsing walls, roofs collapsing in as well. So the remnants of the war and the conflict is still really evident every single day in the hospital. They suffered a lot of problems during the time of when the ISIS group was in control. The healthcare system would have effectively fallen apart. So it's almost kind of starting from scratch, and we're very much just starting off the basics again. Hey, salam alaikum. For me, being in Rachaidh every day and seeing the kind of life, I guess, that the people have, while it's improving, it's still extremely difficult life, and there's definitely not a life that I would like to live on a daily basis. And it's definitely allowed me to look at migration in a completely different way, being here at the source.